This is a Chevy Malibu 2008, the 3.5 liter V6. I'm removing the PCM. Make sure you disconnect the battery. It's on the driver's side in front of the battery. You have to lift up on these red things, and then you get this lift up. And of course, then this should be pushed in. Okay, yeah, you gotta push in and then get that, and then you see how that popped up. So push this down, push that tab in, and then pop it up. I didn't get it there, but you see how this one's up, and then this should be able to pop that connector off. So that came off, and then there's a tab in there, and then a tab in here that you got to push in and slide this off after you get. I need two hands here, so push it up. Okay, push that in. I'm gonna need two hands. And then I just push that back down. Yeah, and then you push in those things and slide the fucker out.